Hi, I am Maria. You are watching Golden News Today. Headlines: Number 1, Air India crash, planes black box found, 19 killed. Number 2, TikTok threatens America. Number 3, son throws 90-year-old mother into the woods after getting the coronavirus. Number 4, Beirut blast, French president visits, people take to the streets, 16 officials arrested, fears that oil-laden ships at the port could explode at any time, Lebanese media. Beirut fears a second deadly now. Details of headlines. You are watching Golden News. Please subscribe and share our channel. Number 1, Air India crash, planes black box found, 19 killed. According to Indian media, 22 people injured in the accident have been evacuated from various hospitals after medical aid, while 100 people are injured, 15 of them in critical condition. Indian media has confirmed the deaths of 19 people in the crash so far, including pilot Captain Dayatak and co-pilot Akhilesh Kumar. According to Indian media, the plane's digital flight data recorder, cockpit voice recorder and black box have been recovered from the debris, which has led to the investigation into the crash. Indian media reported that 4 cabin crew members on board the plane were rescued and suffered minor injuries, which are being treated in a local hospital. Number 2, TikTok threatens America. According to foreign media, the company that owns Chinese application TikTok has threatened legal action against the U.S., expressing surprise at the executive order banning the U.S. president in its statement. The executive order of the U.S. president is the most severe response by the US government so far, TikTok says, based on anonymous reports that he did not mention. We have made it clear that TikTok never shared consumer data with the Chinese government, nor censored any content at the request of the government, the company said. We will use all legal avenues and ensure that the law is in place, says Tuck. The company, which owns Chinese application WeChat, has responded to the U.S. ban by saying the company is fully reviewing Trump's executive order. It was clear that U.S. President Trump had last day banned trade transactions with Chinese apps TikTok and WeChat through an executive order, calling both companies a threat to U.S. national security. Number 3, son throws 90-year-old mother into the woods after getting the coronavirus. In Aurangabad, a town in the Indian state of Maharashtra, a son threw his 90-year-old mother into the woods after the corona test positive came and fled. According to Indian media, people found an old woman lying in the forest in the Kachigati area of Aurangabad. The 90-year-old woman was left in the middle of the forest in a sheet. Media reports say the elderly woman was Coruna Pazu, who was not ready to be with the family, after the family threw the old woman into the woods in the dark of night and came home. Police have registered a case and started searching for the family. According to police, the woman was in the forest for an hour but has now been admitted to the district hospital. Number 4, Beirut blast, French president visits, people take to the streets, 16 officials arrested, fears that oil-laden ships at the port could explode at any time, Lebanese media. Beirut fears a second deadly. The Lebanese people accuse the government of being a little more in the blast at the port of Beirut, the capital of Lebanon. The death toll in the Beirut blasts 3 days ago has risen to 157, while 5,000 people have been injured. Lebanese people are deeply angry over the incident, which is being expressed in protest. Protests against the government were held in the central Beirut area and there were clashes between protesters and police. The protesters also staged a protest and stoned security forces, while security forces shelled to stop the protesters. On the other hand, the Lebanese military court has ordered the arrest of 16 people working at the port on connection with the blast. Thanks for watching Golden News. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.